Hey viewers, Linus here. Welcome back to another deep dive into the tech world. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of semiconductors with TSMC's Q2 2024 earnings report. This report gives us a glimpse into the future of technology. TSMC is a big deal. They are the backbone of the tech industry. They make the chips that power our smartphones, computers, and so much more. Imagine your daily life without these devices. From the latest iPhones to powerful AI servers, TSMC is behind it all. Their chips are in everything from consumer gadgets to enterprise solutions. Their technology is what enables us to have faster, more efficient devices. It's the reason why our gadgets keep getting better and more powerful. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. The impact of their innovation is everywhere. TSMC's growth is a testament to the increasing demand for powerful chips. The semiconductor industry is booming and TSMC is leading the charge. This demand isn't slowing down anytime soon. With the rise of 5G, IoT, and AI, the need for advanced semiconductors is only going to grow. As we rely more and more on technology, TSMC's role becomes even more critical. They are at the heart of the digital revolution. They're literally powering the future. Their innovations are shaping the world of tomorrow. So let's break down their recent earnings report and see what they've been up to. We'll explore their financial performance and what it means for the future of technology. TSMC posted strong numbers for Q2 2024. Their revenue was up, driven by strong demand across different sectors. A big chunk of this growth came from their advanced technologies. We're talking 3-nanometer and 5-nanometer chips here, the cutting edge of what's possible. These tiny transistors are what make our devices so powerful and efficient. Companies are lining up to get their hands on TSMC's latest tech. It's like the gold rush but for semiconductors, and TSMC is leading the charge. This strong performance is a good indicator of TSMC's dominance in the market. They're not just keeping up, they're setting the pace. It's going to be exciting to see what they do next. 2 words: artificial intelligence. AI is exploding in popularity and for good reason. It's changing the way we live, work, and play. And guess what? It needs a ton of processing power. That's where TSMC comes in. Their advanced chips are perfect for handling the complex calculations that AI demands. But it's not just AI. The smartphone market is still huge. People are constantly upgrading to the latest and greatest devices. And those fancy new phones need powerful chips to run those high-resolution displays and demanding apps. TSMC is strategically positioned to capitalize on both of these trends. They're riding the wave of the future. TSMC isn't just keeping up with the latest trends, they're driving them forward. They're constantly investing in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. The demand for faster, more efficient chips isn't going away. So TSMC is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're making strides in AI, high-performance computing, and 5G technology. These advancements aren't just about making our devices better, they're about unlocking new possibilities in every field imaginable. From healthcare to transportation to entertainment, TSMC's technology is going to shape the world around us. It's an exciting time to be following the semiconductor industry. Section 5. Investing in the future. Staying ahead of the game in the tech world takes serious investment. It's not just about keeping up, it's about leading the charge and setting the pace for others to follow. TSMC knows this, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. Their strategy is clear: invest heavily now to reap the benefits in the future. They've announced massive capital expenditure plans, pouring billions into building new fabs and developing next-generation technologies. This isn't just a one-time effort, it's a sustained commitment to growth and innovation. This kind of investment sends a clear message. TSMC is playing the long game. They're not just looking at the next quarter or the next year, they're looking decades ahead. They're not just interested in short-term profits, their vision extends far beyond immediate gains, focusing on sustainable and long-term success. They're building for the future, and they're betting big on their ability to innovate. This means constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in semiconductor technology. This commitment to staying ahead of the curve will likely benefit everyone. From consumers enjoying the latest gadgets to industries relying on advanced tech, the ripple effects are vast. It means we can expect even more powerful, efficient, and game-changing devices in the years to come. The advancements made today will shape the technology of tomorrow. Now that's something to be excited about. The future of technology looks brighter than ever thanks to these forward-thinking investments. Section 6N2 and A16, the next generation. Let's talk about the future. Specifically TSMC's N2 and A16 technologies. These are the next steps in their journey to create the most advanced chips on the planet. N2 is their next-generation manufacturing process. It's going to allow them to cram even more transistors onto their chips, making them smaller, faster, and more power efficient. And A16, that's their next-generation chip design, built specifically for AI and HPC applications. These are big deals, folks. N2 and A16 have the potential to revolutionize everything from smartphones to self-driving cars to scientific research. We're talking about a whole new level of performance and efficiency. The future is looking bright. Section 7. Navigating the global chip landscape. The semiconductor industry isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There's some serious competition out there, and geopolitical tensions can make things complicated. But TSMC has a few tricks up its sleeve. They're masters of strategic pricing. They know how to balance supply and demand to stay profitable while keeping their customers happy. And then there's their flexible manufacturing. TSMC can adapt their production lines to meet the changing needs of their customers. This agility is crucial in the fast-paced tech world. It allows them to stay ahead of the game and respond quickly to new challenges. Despite the challenges, TSMC continues to navigate the global chip landscape with skill and foresight. Section 8. Flexibility and strategic pricing. Let's dive deeper into TSMC's secret sauce, flexibility, and strategic pricing. These two elements are crucial in maintaining their edge in the highly competitive semiconductor industry. They're like the Batman and Robin of TSMC's success, working in tandem to ensure the company stays ahead of the curve. Flexibility means they're not tied down to producing just one type of chip. This allows them to adapt quickly to market demands and technological advancements. They can switch things up depending on what's in high demand. Whether it's for smartphones, automotive applications, or high-performance computing, TSMC can pivot efficiently. Need more chips for those hot new gaming consoles? TSMC has the agility to ramp up production and meet the surge in demand. No problem, TSMC can handle it. And strategic pricing? This is where their business acumen truly shines. That's how they make sure they're getting a fair price for their cutting-edge tech. They carefully analyze market trends and competitor pricing to set their rates. They're not in the business of underselling themselves, ensuring they maintain healthy profit margins. But they're also not trying to price themselves out of the market. It's a delicate balance, one that requires constant vigilance and adjustment. And they're masters at it. Their expertise in pricing analytics and leadership in the industry set them apart. This approach keeps them competitive and profitable, allowing them to invest in future technologies and innovations, even in a rapidly changing market. TSMC's ability to adapt and evolve ensures they remain at the forefront of the semiconductor industry. Section 9. TSMC, a legacy of innovation. TSMC's success isn't an accident. It's built on a foundation of innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence. They've consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of semiconductors. From pioneering new manufacturing processes to developing groundbreaking chip designs, TSMC has earned its place as an industry leader. They're not afraid to take risks and invest in the future, and that's what sets them apart. TSMC's legacy of innovation is an inspiration to tech enthusiasts and industry players alike. They've shown the world what's possible when you combine technical brilliance with a commitment to pushing the limits. Section 10. A bright future ahead. So what does the future hold for TSMC? All signs point to continued success. Their strong Q2 2024 earnings report is just the latest chapter in a story of growth and innovation. With their focus on AI, HPC, and 5G, along with their aggressive investments in new technologies, TSMC is well positioned to capitalize on the ever-growing demand for powerful chips. They're not just riding the wave of the future, they're shaping it. And as someone who loves technology and all the amazing things it can do, I can't wait to see what they come up with next. Keep those chips coming, TSMC. This is Linus, signing out.